Welcome to Forex Fortune Factory, the automated trading system that works while you live your life. Most trading systems are built for traders. Forex Fortune Factory was built for people. Traditional trading demands your time, your attention, and your emotion. We take a different approach. Our philosophy isn't trading as a lifestyle, it's trading in service of your lifestyle. We call that lifestyle design. Forex Fortune Factory is an AI-powered, fully automated trading system built by a team of experienced traders, data scientists, and programmers with one goal: consistent, predictable monthly returns. No screen time required. The system is built on over a decade of real strategy automation and real trader results, and has been tested against 25 years of historical market data, proving consistent performance through every market condition imaginable. The secret isn't magic. It's simply executing high-probability rules that repeat themselves in the market, with precision every single time. Getting started is simple. The software connects to your existing broker or trading platform in just a few steps, and you can disconnect at any time. You are always in control. Every client receives their own personal dashboard and a strategy overview that breaks down exactly how the system works. You will never be left in the dark. Forex Fortune Factory is an invite-only program designed for people who are serious about building predictable passive income as part of a bigger goal: freedom and sovereignty over their time and their life. If that's you, the next step is simple. Book a call with one of our specialists to see if you qualify for a license. We look forward to meeting you.